Hey skincare lover. So if your skin still feels dry after using hyaluronic acid, you're not alone. You're just applying it wrong. Hyaluronic acid doesn't hydrate your skin, you hydrate your skin and hyaluronic acid सिर्फ उस water को hold करके रखता है. So let me show you the real biochemistry. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Snehita, PhD in Medical Biochemistry. So welcome to day 3 of Skincare Ingredients Simplified. In this series, let me break down the ingredient that you use every day. Only science, no trends. Only at my channel Skin Tilak by Snehita. What exactly is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is the ingredient everyone talks about, almost no one understands. So let me simplify in one line. Hyaluronic acid is water magnet. In the biochemistry, it is glycoaminoglycans, which is basically the carbohydrate. So they are mainly found in your skin, eyes, joints and connective tissue. Basically present everywhere where the moisture need to stay. जहाँ पर भी आपके moisture होने की ज़रूरत है, जहाँ पर भी moisture होता है आपकी body में, वहाँ पे hyaluronic acid is already present. So hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1000 times its weight in water. So it mainly holds the water, it does not create the water. So this is the most misunderstood part. Hyaluronic acid आपकी जो भी already आपके skin में water present है उसको सिर्फ hold करता है ये. So why your hyaluronic acid may not be working? Because hyaluronic acid is like a dry sponge. तो dry sponge खुद से clean नहीं कर सकता है. It requires the water first. So if you are applying the hyaluronic acid in a dry skin or dehydrated skin or in a AC room or a very low humidity, so the result will be your skin tightness. Your skin will feel dry after using the hyaluronic acid, flakiness होगा, makeup cracks हो जाएंगे and also the dehydrated lines. So the problem is not the hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid के साथ कुछ भी problem नहीं है. The problem is how you use it. So a simple biochemistry. So what actually hyaluronic acid does inside your skin? जो भी आप hyaluronic acid skin में apply करते हैं वो आपकी skin के inside क्या काम करता है? So first it work as a hydrogen bonding. So जो भी water content आपके skin में present है attached to the water like a magnet. Second as a hydrating reservoir. तो वो जो भी water content है वो store करता है in extracellular matrix where the collagen elastic live. And it also help in a skin barrier. So जो ceramides and B5 है that is a pantothenic acid. So they all combine and work as in healthy barrier. And आपके skin को elasticity provide करता है. So it mainly provide your skin with that soft and the bouncy look. And lastly it help with your skin plumpness. जो भी dehydrating lines है उसको reduce करता है. So all hyaluronic acid are not same. It mainly depends on their molecular size and how it's work. So hyaluronic acid mainly depends करता है molecular size पे. So here is the molecular weight breakdown. So hyaluronic acid comes in a 3 form. First is the high molecular weight, second is low molecular weight and third is ultra low molecular weight. The first one which is high molecular weight, it will be stay on your surface of your skin. अगर आपने high molecular weight का hyaluronic acid लगाया है तो skin के upper layer में ही रह जाएगा. Molecular weight का मतलब है कि it will be larger in size, so it cannot go deeper into your skin. तो skin में ही ऊपर layer में रह जाएगा. So it will reduces the irritation and will give your skin instant soft look. And second one is low molecular weight, so it will be go slightly deeper layer of your skin and it will give you that plump look and also increases the elasticity. The third one is ultra low molecular weight. It will be go into the deepest penetration. So छोटे size में है, so it can penetrate deeper into your skin and also reduces the tightness and it will provide the instant recovery from your dehydrated skin. So best hyaluronic acid serum you can go for multi-molecular weight hyaluronic acid, not just the one type. So how to use a hyaluronic acid in a right way? So here is a correct and scientific application method. First, apply in your damp skin, not in a dry, because hyaluronic acid needs something to hold. वो water hold करता है. And second, seal it with moisturizer. जो hyaluronic acid है that can only hold the water in your skin. अगर आपको उसको lock in करना है वो hydration को, so you have to use the moisturizer. And third, use only 1 to 2 pump of hyaluronic acid. More hyaluronic acid does not mean more hydration. And so 4, don't use the hyaluronic acid in a AC room or winter. Because of low humidity, the moisture will pull out of your skin. 5th is, you can use the hyaluronic acid both day or night. Both will work. Seal it properly with moisturizer. Now for which people hyaluronic acid will be more beneficial? If your skin is dehydrated, dull, flaky, if it is recovering from retinol, और ओवर एक्सफोलिएटेड स्किन है, ऑयली है बट डिहाइड्रेटेड स्किन है, so hyaluronic acid will be work immediately. Now who should limit the use of hyaluronic acid? Not everyone needs the hyaluronic acid daily. Limit if you have very extremely oily skin, like I have very extremely oily skin and I don't use hyaluronic acid. अगर आप बहुत humid climate में रहते हैं, if you're living in a very humid climate, and so if you're already using the glycerin urea, फिर hyaluronic acid भी use करेंगे, so there will be so much humectant. सबका एक ही काम है water को hold करने का, so avoid using if you use this thing. And if you are skipping the moisturizer, because hyaluronic acid will not work alone. So here is the best ingredient combination with hyaluronic acid. To get most from the hyaluronic acid, you can combine with, first is the vitamin B5, that is the panthenol. So it boosts the moisture retention. Second, you can pair with ceramide. It will help with that prevent the water loss. Third is squalene, that seals the hydration without the heaviness. Fourth is peptide, that support the elasticity, and fifth is glycerin, that is another hydrating magnet. So sixth and the last one is aloe vera and sodium PCA, that is a sodium pyrrolidone carboxylic acid. This is basically derived from the amino acid proline, जो एक टाइप का प्रोटीन है, that work as your natural moisturize factor of your skin. So it mainly help with your soothing plus water binding in your skin. If you are using the multi-molecular with hyaluronic acid plus this all ingredient, so your skin will remain hydrated for a longer hours. So these are the product type for all budgets. So these are categories, not brand focused. First, you can use the hyaluronic acid, pure hyaluronic acid serum, or hyaluronic acid with panthenol, vitamin B5, or hyaluronic acid plus ceramide, or gel moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, or night cream with hyaluronic acid plus peptide. You can pick the hyaluronic acid based on the texture you like, not the price. So hyaluronic acid is one of the simplest ingredient, but its biochemistry decide everything. So use the hyaluronic acid on your damp skin and seal it with moisturizer, so it will become your best hydration tool in your skincare. This was day 3 of my skincare ingredients simplified. Make sure to check out my day 1 and day 2 skincare ingredients simplified and tell me in the comment section which ingredients should I break down the next. So till then, bye bye, take care and please follow for more.